Hey everybody, welcome to my unboxing. I just got this package from Amazon. I ordered about a week ago and it just arrived today, and this is the Mayflash arcade fighting stick. It works with Xbox, PS3, PC, and let me see, this comes with plug and play. It supports turbo and macro functions. It comes with a vibration wrist, as you can see here. Button comes with turbo and macro. You can preset all your fighting moves in Street Fighter, and you can preset all those functions. And let me see, it works with Windows, XP, Vista 7, 8, and Mac OS. So let's open it and see what's inside. Everything looks good here. Here's the joystick, foam, the wristband. You put it around your wrist so you'll feel vibration. Let me see. Foam, you have to take out the foam first. This is the joystick itself. Still in plastic, brand new. There's right here a compartment where it stores the cord. This cord, I believe, is 10 feet, and you can put it in, store it, carry you to wherever you want to go, like your friend's house or a tournament. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Comes with the instruction on how to set your PS3, PC, Xbox 360, additional functions on how to locate it, a little CD, so I guess you can put it inside your computer, PC, fabric, clean, the joystick, little screws, rubber washer bumpers so you can put on the ground. Let's see, on the bottom comes with rubber bottom padding. Everything looks good. It looks premium. What you should feel on the premium type of joystick costs about like $100 to $200. This concludes my unboxing of the Mayflash joystick, and thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on my channel, and thank you. Bye bye.